In this video, I'll show you how to back up Microsoft OneNote depending on how you use it and where your notebooks are stored. If you're using the desktop version on Windows, like OneNote for Microsoft 365 or OneNote 2016, you can rely on built-in backups. Open OneNote, go to File, then Options, and choose Save and Backup. Set your backup folder to a safe location such as an external hard drive, USB drive, or network folder. This protects your notes if your computer fails. After major edits, run a manual backup by selecting Backup All Notebooks and wait for confirmation before closing the app. If your notebooks live in OneDrive or you mainly use OneNote on the web, your notes are already syncing to the cloud. For extra protection, sign into OneDrive in a browser, find your OneNote Notebooks folder, select it, and click Download. This saves an offline zip copy you can store safely. In short, desktop users should enable backups and run manual ones regularly, while cloud users should occasionally download a local copy for peace of mind.